Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. This is a AMOSTIIIIIC, something, I don't know. It's a storage box for, and it's also the reader for all my memory cards and things like that. So let's show you what it has here. It has a reader and stuff in there. So let's show you everything it comes with here. So it comes with a plug here. I have a iPhone 16 Pro, so I have USB-C like that, and I have MacBooks and things like that. So it'll connect up with the USB-C, and then it gives me a USB port, but a little micro SD spot, and an SD card reader, so I can hook those up to whatever. It comes within a big old long cord here, so I could connect it up. It's like it's magnetic. It rolls it back up on itself and then stays connected. That's pretty cool. That's fun. That's cool. That's magnetic. And then it comes with this here too, multifunction storage bracket set. So let's see what this one here looks like here. If we could open it. So here we go. So it looks like, oh, we have all our little connectors in here. So we can connect that up to anything. That'll connect it to an iPhone. We have the different end here. This is just a wire here. So this will connect, this is a wire to connect USB-C to USB-C, but then you can plug that in so you can connect USB-C to iPhone. You can connect it to, looks like that's gonna be micro USB. This is all traditional USB to USB-C. We have a little pin puller there. We can put a nano SIM there, micro SIM there. So we can plug in, store all our different phone things and whatever and stuff in there and then close it up. So that's kind of a cool little storage device there. And what's on the back here? I'm not sure what that is. It opens up on the back, but I'm not sure what that is. Let me see if it says it on there somewhere. Don't really even say, I don't think. So I'm not sure why that opens up. I guess you could stand it up and have it as a display. It would be weird, but that's it there. But it's really cool. A nice little setup to be able to charge anything or whatever. So you can take that with you, connect that up there, and then connect up any of these SD cards and wires and stuff. It's a great little kit, and it comes with this too. And this is where I'm going to be storing all my SD card stuff and everything like that. I have an SD card, I have micro SD cards and things like that. Everything's going in this. So this is going to be my even more little SD card, micro cards. Be storing everything in this little pouch here. So it's a great little set. So I'm going to say this is really cool. So thumbs up, pick up one of these if you need any kind of converters or connect to anything in the world. I mean, you can see it's going to connect to everything. So, and it comes with everything you need. Thumbs up for sure.